Very good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to start new chapter, chapter 3, input and output device. And in this chapter we will discuss about different types of devices, different example of input device, output device and storage device. I think all you know input devices which help us to give instruction to a computer like keyboard and mouse, microphone, a scanner. These are the example of input device. Then output device like a monitor, printer, speaker, है ना, headphone. So these are the example of output device. And now what is a storage device? So as you know, I think you all know about CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk, है ना. So we use these device to store anything, to store like anything like pictures, movies, है ना, or songs or any files. ठीक है. So we use storage device to store, मतलब कुछ भी आपको स्टोर करना है, सेव करना है. सो वी यूज स्टोरेज डिवाइस. इनपुट डिवाइस वी गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन टू कंप्यूटर, एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस like monitor or speaker, printer, these are called output device which help us to see the output, the result. ठीक है. Okay, let's see a video. In this video we will discuss about different parts of a computer and different types of devices. Let's start.
Hello friends. Welcome to my room. This is my computer. I have attached different electronic parts to my computer, such as printer, scanner, speakers, microphone, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, and so on. Do you have any idea about these parts? All these components are called as parts of a computer. We have different parts of our body, such as head, hands, legs, nose, and knees. Similarly, computers also have different parts to perform different actions. You know that just as the brain and the heart are the most important parts of our body, a computer has its main parts too, without which it cannot work. These main parts are the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. But we can attach additional parts like printers, speakers, microphones, CD drive, scanner, UPS, hard disk, pen drive, and floppy disks to a computer. These are all some other parts of a computer which perform some additional function. Are you excited to know about these parts? Okay, I will explain each part of a computer and its uses. First, let us learn about the four main parts of a computer. This is CPU. The CPU is the brain of a computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It controls all other parts of a computer. It helps the computer to think and take decisions. CPU is the place where a computer stores all the things it needs to remember. All parts of the computer are connected to the CPU with wires. This is a monitor. A monitor looks like a TV. You can see pictures, cartoons, movies on a monitor. It also displays what we type. Next, we will learn about the keyboard. A keyboard is made up of several small buttons called keys. The keyboard is used to give instructions to the computer. We can type letters, numbers, and symbols using keyboard. Here is a mouse. It helps us to point at different things on a computer monitor. It is also used to draw images and play games. Now, let us see some other parts of a computer which are not very essential for its working. This is a printer. The printer is an output device which collects the information from the computer and generates the hard copy of the information. The hard copy is the standard size of paper. The printer gives the text or image in the form of printed paper. My daddy uses printer to take printouts to make permanent copies of documents on the computer. This is a microphone and these are speakers. We can speak into a microphone to record our voice. Sometimes I use my microphone to talk to my friends. I listen to music with the help of these speakers. This is called a CD drive. A CD drive is used to insert and read CD inside the computer. Oh, this is a very useful device. A scanner. Do you know what it does? It is used to scan pictures and text on a paper and display them onto the monitor. This is UPS. UPS stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply. Before that, I will tell you a scenario to understand clearly about UPS. Consider you are drawing picture using paint application on computer. Unexpectedly, the power goes down. If you have forgotten to save the document, then you would have lost your picture. Here, UPS device takes an important part of it. If you have UPS with your computer, it will keep the computer on for a few minutes to save the documents. That is, UPS is used to keep a computer on even when electric power goes off. Ever wondered where the computer stores all our information? Let me show you some more interesting parts of a computer. These are storage devices. The storage devices are a device used to store the information both temporarily or permanently. You can store the information on hard disks, pen drives, and floppy disks. This is a hard disk. A hard disk is the main and the largest data storage device in a computer. You can use a hard disk to store the information permanently on a computer. Now, let's take a look at a pen drive. A pen drive is an external storage device. You can insert or remove a pen drive from a computer to carry data from one computer to the other. This is a floppy disk. A floppy disk is a type of an external storage device. It is used to store small amount of information. We can insert a floppy disk inside the floppy disk drive. Floppy disks are not used anymore because they can store only less amount of information. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.
Okay, now I think this is clear. What is input device, what is output device, and what is the storage device, and their example. Okay, thank you.